To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find the Face ID and Passcode option. Then tap on it. Enter the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone. Now scroll down again until you find the Stolen Device Protection option. Then tap on it. Now turn on the toggle next to Stolen Device Protection. You'll now see two options, away from familiar locations, or always. Choose the one that best suits your needs to ensure your device stays protected. From now on, whenever you are in an unfamiliar location, certain actions on your device or account will require Face ID authentication, even if someone knows your passcode. So that's how you can enable stolen device protection on iPhone.